and your daddy and your grandpa. What's up?
M.I. Quickly, quickly, I. Quickly, quickly, I. Hump it, high. Mississippi pride, pride. M.I.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Raven Alexis, and today I decided that I'm going to record a video showing y'all how I achieve a slick back on dirty hair. So I just took out my braids from my wig last night and I detangled and did some chunky twists, and this is how my hair is looking. Yeah, it's giving you Diana. So this is how my hair is looking, but I kind of don't want it in my face. I kind of want it slicked down. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show y'all. I'm not going to be doing no talking or anything. You can basically visualize what I'm going to do. So I have extreme gel. I have two big size, whatever you call these, elastic bands. I have this leave-in conditioner. I haven't used this before. Just something I bought, to be honest. I have a hard brush. And of course I have my spray bottle. Well, my sister's spray bottle. And I have a detangling comb. And I got some edge control. Y'all know I love Sweetie. So I got some edge control in my... But I don't really know how to lay my edges. So we just gonna see how that goes. But... yeah, so gonna show y'all how I do this thing, so let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is how the final results look of me doing a slick back. As you can see, my hair is really thick, but it really took me less than 10 minutes almost. So yeah, this is, now that I have gotten it down pat, I figured out how to like really do my hair and manage it. This really will be like a go-to style for me now. As y'all can see, I comb it out, I detangle and everything so that my puff in the back could look really big and really nice. Just because I do a middle part and my forehead is like, and I got a big head. But yeah, so this is actually the quickest that I have ever done a slick back, so I'm very proud of myself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tie this down so everything can like settle and do what it needs to do. I'm still working on the baby hairs. Maybe one day I'll get it, but as of right now, it's not gonna be today. So I hope y'all like that. I hope I got some good footage. It's kind of hard to record in my bathroom, and I'm still trying to figure out a good setup on how I can record hair videos. So yes, so I hope y'all like it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, because again, we are a family and I want y'all to join in on my family. So yes, see y'all later.